Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Fazbear Entertainment would like you to put your hands together for the one, the only, Freddy Fazbear.
Showtime already? I am experiencing a malfunction. The recharge cycle is not complete.
Shh! Will you shut up?
Who said that?
I did! And down here.
Down where? I still do not see you.
Okay, listen. You were sleeping, so I opened the stomach hatch and climbed inside.
My stomach hatch? That place is reserved for oversized birthday cakes and piñatas. It is not a safe play area. There you are. Scanning complete. How odd. Your guest profile is unknown to me. Who are you?
I'm Gregory.
Gregory. I will notify the main office. Oh, connection error. I cannot connect to the main network.
It's her. She cut you off. She's not going to let you call for help until she finds me.
Who? Who is looking for you? Your mother?
Shh! I hear footsteps!
That is the security guard. She can help.
No, I don't trust her.
Why not?
I don't know who she is, but she's trying to get me. Isn't there some other way for you to communicate with me besides talking so loudly?
Take this. It is a novelty Freddy Fazwatch.
What was that?
I am sending you an encoded message. Hello, Gregory. It is me, Freddy. I will escort you to the main entrance. However, I am unable to leave this room. You should have no problem. There is a button on the wall that will open the door to the back room. I will make it accessible to you now. Well done, Gregory. There is an open-air vent inside the maintenance room. You will have to climb through the ventilation system and release me from the outside.
It's pretty dark in there.
There is nothing to be scared of. You can do it.
tonight. Thank you. Your hair is beautiful. Your tail is beautiful. Everyone was watching you. Everyone loves you. Everyone wants to be you. You are the best. Thank you. I am the best. I am the best. Your fans are watching you right now. I know. Your performance was perfect tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Freddy and the gang are pretty tired, but they'll be back again next week after a few days of scheduled maintenance. Please make your way to the front of the building, where you will be given novelty glasses, a voucher for one free soda refill, and where you will sign a legal disclaimer releasing us of all liability for anything that might have happened during your visit. Have an awesome night, and we'll see you again soon.
Good job. Now, please come let me out. Way to go, superstar! I knew you could do it. I know how to get you out of here. Climb back into my chest cavity. There is still time, but we must hurry. If I am spotted, I will certainly be taken back to my room. I will escort you to the main exit through the utility tunnels. It is the safest path.
Okay, but you better be careful moving around. I don't want to be crushed and twisted into a meat pretzel. She's down here. We have to go back.
Do not worry, Gregory. Even if we are spotted, you are safe with me. She would never suspect we are traveling together. However, we should still do our best to avoid her. If I am sent back to my room, we will never get to the lobby before midnight. I feel you are broken.
Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
No, I feel that something is wrong. I am taking you to the first aid station.
There's no time. I'm fine.
Freddy! You're supposed to be on lockdown.
Officer Vanessa, I do not know how I got here.
Well, you totally blew it tonight, you know. Your system crashed and you ruined the show. Now, parts and services have you on reduced power. They said it's a safety precaution. Just one more thing to deal with.
I apologize.
Okay. Look, we're like 15 minutes from closing and some kid is sneaking around backstage. If you see anything, notify me immediately. I already alerted the others. Now, go back to your room.
I told you she was after me.
I said nothing. I will keep you safe. Let us go.
Where are we?
We are now under the Pizzaplex. These utility tunnels connect all the attractions.
We can go anywhere in the building?
Correct. Fazerblast, Monte Golf, Roxy Raceway. They are all accessible to staff, with high enough clearance, of course. Guests are never allowed down here, but yours is a special situation. I am terribly sorry. The recharge cycle had not yet completed when I found you. You must continue without me. I will guide you on your fast watch in case you get into any trouble.
I don't know if I can do this alone. It's Chica. Maybe I could distract her with something.
This area is off limits.
There you Well done, Gregory. You found a security office. You should be quite safe here. The doors were designed to keep our highly trained security staff safe in the event of an emergency. As long as the doors stay closed, which they will, as long as there is ample power.
Freddy! The power's only at 15% and they're pounding on the door! How am I gonna get out of here?
Do not panic. You should see an interface on the security desk. Hold on while I make it accessible to you. There. You can now activate security protocols. Your fast watch is now connected to the security camera system. Check the map on your fast watch.
Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex is now closed, initiating nighttime protocols.
No, no! Wait, I'm still here! Now what am I supposed to do?
How unfortunate, Gregory. You missed your chance, but there is still hope. You should be able to escape when the security doors reopen at 6 a.m. Until then, keep moving, and try not to draw attention to yourself. If there is another way out, I will help you find it. I promise. Well done, superstar. You have accessed the lobby. Unfortunately, that complimentary entry ticket does not allow you to enter the pizzeria. You can find an upgrade machine in customer service.
It ain't my pass!
Perhaps there is a way to hack it back out. Try Glamrock Gifts. They have lots of trinkets, knickknacks, and doodads.
Yes! The magnet scrambled the machine! Oh man, now it's some kind of daycare pass?
That is great news. I will meet you in the daycare. The entrance is on the second floor balcony.
You're sure late? Are we having a slumber party? Where are all your friends? We can finger paint, tell stories, drink fizzy fast until our heads explode, and then stay up all night! There is only one rule. Keep the lights on. On. No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you! naughty boy. Past your bedtime. You must be punished. Nighty-night.
Gregory, I do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare. You need to find the emergency backup generators and turn them on. They are in the play structures.
Bad children must be found. It's past your bedtime. It's past your bedtime. It's past your bedtime. Bad children must be punished. Bad children must be found. It's past your bedtime. It's past your bedtime. Knock, knock.
Capture the flag. Capture the flag.
Over here. This area is off limits. Are you lost? Lost boy over here. Lost boy over here. Lost boy over here. Are you lost? This area is off limits. Lost boy over here. Lost boy over here. This area is off limits. Are you lost? Lost boy over here.
Capture the flag.
Lost boy over here. Lost boy over here. Are you lost? Are you lost? This area is off limits. Are you lost?
Capture the flag.
Are you lost? This area is off limits. Lost boy over here. Lost boy over here. Lost boy over here. Are you lost?
Capture the flag.
This area is off limits. Are you lost? This area is off limits. Are you lost? This area is off limits.
don't know what happened. All I did was take the badge.
Do not panic. That office is now on lockdown. I
Are
can
you
deactivate
lost?
the alarm, but it will take some time.
You are nothing!
know you're here. Hey, kid, come on out.
You are nothing!
You really think we won't find you? Hey, kid,
You are
come
nothing.
on out.
Are you hungry?
I know you're here.
Are you lost?
Hey, kid, come on out.
Don't be scared.
I will find you.
Don't be scared.
I will
You
find
are
you.
nothing! Are you
I
hungry?
know you're here. Hey, kid, come on out.
Are you lost?
You really think we won't find you?
Are you lost?
You really think we won't find you?
Don't be scared.
You can't hide forever. You can't hide
Are you
forever.
lost?
You can't hide
Are you
forever.
lost? You are nothing!
I know you're here.
Are you lost?
You can't hide forever.
Are you
I will
lost?
find you. I will
Are you
find
hungry?
you. I know you're here.
Are you lost?
You really think we won't find you?
Are you lost?
Hey, kid, come on out.
You are nothing!
Hey, kid, come on out.
Are you hungry?
I will find you.
Are you
Hey,
lost?
kid, come on out. Hey, kid,
Are
come
you
on
lost?
out. Hey, kid, come on out.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Can't hide forever. Hey, kid, come on out. You can't hide forever. Rock and roll! Children must be punished. Knock, knock. It's past your bedtime. How do you hide? Hide away. Knock, knock. Bad children.
Freddy, it's open, let's go!
No, I cannot exit this facility.
Of course you can! Come on! We can hide you somewhere!
Without a recharge station, my systems would shut down within an hour. It is a safety precaution. It is my design. This is where I must stay. Do not return. It will never be safe. I will miss you.
Freddy, if I leave now, nothing will change, will it? There will be more disappearances.
Yes, I am afraid that is correct. Gregory, you have a choice to make. The door is open, and you can go. Or you can continue to investigate the secrets of the Pizzaplex. I feel there is something else going on besides Vanny. You are staying? I am glad. Here, I found this party pass. There are areas we have not investigated. Lead the way, superstar.
I always come back.